Hey everyone, welcome back to Variety Show. Today, we're diving into an amazing product that will elevate your Raspberry Pi experience. The Pironman 5 NVMe M.2 SSD PCIe mini PC case. Whether you're into NAS setups, home assistants, or just want to take your Raspberry Pi to the next level, this device is definitely worth a look. Let's start with the first thing you'll notice, the build quality. The Pironman 5 features a sturdy aluminum construction, making it not only durable, but also sleek and stylish. But it's not just about looks. This case has a lot of power packed inside. It supports the Raspberry Pi 5 and comes with an integrated tower cooler and dual RGB fans. This advanced cooling system ensures that your Pi stays cool even during demanding tasks. Plus, the built-in dust filters keep things running smoothly with minimal maintenance. Another standout feature is the 0.96-inch OLED display. It provides real-time insights into your system, like CPU and RAM usage, temperature, and even your Pi's IP address. It's a really useful addition for monitoring your device without needing to log into it remotely. Now, let's talk performance. The Pironman 5 comes with an expandable NVMe M.2 SSD slot, allowing you to boost your Pi's storage with speeds that are a lot faster than your typical SD card. It supports multiple SSD sizes, including 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280, giving you plenty of flexibility for your storage needs. And for those of you who need extra functionality, the Pironman 5 doesn't disappoint. It features dual HDMI ports, an IR receiver, and an external GPIO extender, which opens up a whole new world of possibilities for your projects. Another great feature is the safe shutdown function, which ensures your Pi powers off safely, protecting your data and preventing potential issues. The customizable RGB LEDs let you personalize the look of your device so you can match it to your setup perfectly. So, if you're looking to take your Raspberry Pi 5 to the next level with enhanced storage, cooling, and overall functionality, the Pironman 5 NVMe M.2 SSD PCIe mini PC case is a fantastic choice. You can grab it right now from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching this review, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cool tech reviews here on Variety Show. See you in the next one.